Hello, welcome. Welcome to our grow session. Nanda Yogini. Hi, welcome. Hello, thank you for joining me. Hi, happy new moon, everybody. Hello, our new moon entered last night, and this is a very present and intense new moon. Hi, everyone. Hello, Niva. Hi. Thank you for joining. Hello, everyone. I want to connect to this grow class a little bit with this new moon. Hi. Hello, Marie. Happy new moon. Yeah. It's a new moon in Taurus. And if you're familiar with the energy that Taurus rules, it's food, beauty, house, everything that has a structure and keeps us safe and present. So, and this new moon is connecting with Uranus, that brings unexpected change and a new way of seeing and living life. So we can expect new forms of living and with our own selves at our own homes and with each other, in new ways of looking at our food and even celebrating what we have, because Taurus gives value to what really has value and not just what our sometimes society thinks that it's valuable. So I will invite you to be with me in this practice today to put value in what is really valuable for you. To celebrate what is very important in your life and how you nourish and you're nourished by it. And this is the real new moon energy in us, creating strength and the strength of Taurus, the stability of Taurus, making us celebrate the simplicity and the beauty of what we really know is valuable for us. Right? Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, I really think so. I learned so much from astrology because it's something that makes us see the world in us and us in this world. So I'm not an astrologer and I don't know tons about it, but I am fascinated by it, and I always find the space to learn a little bit more about it. If you want to join me for my new moon session today, the link is on my posts, Nanda Yogini. It's at 6 p.m. and we will create this strength connection to embrace and to nourish ourselves for this new moon. So yeah, look for it over there and you're more than welcome there. I will invite you to practice with me with a similar intention now. We will send gratitude to all we have been growing. Growth is this beautiful meditative movement practice, and I love it because when we move, it gives us chance to connect with our bodies, and Taurus is exactly that. Taurus is the body and structure and muscles and stability. So there's no better day to connect with our strength and our growth. So I will invite you to be on your mat. If you don't have a mat, it's okay to just put a blanket or a towel on the floor. And let's start just crossing our legs. If sitting low on the floor is not something your hips are happy about, you can lean against the wall. You can even sit on a chair for this first portion of our session. Feel free. Let's embrace the pose that your body chooses to give you structure now, to give you presence. And connect with your hips and bring your spine right above the hips and soften your shoulders down, sending a message of openness to your body. Start connecting with the rhythm of your breath, and as you exhale, you close your eyes. Start observing the rhythm of your breath with your eyes closed. Allow the air to leave freely through the mouth. And keep you breathing in freshly through nostrils. One more cycle. As you exhale, observe your body belonging to the present moment and flip your palms facing up. And keep it breathing very freely with your whole body. Expand your energy through your aura, the energetic space around you that embraces you with presence. Next inhalation, open your arms out and you can open your eyes. Flip your palms facing up and embrace this space around your aura. As you exhale, bring your right hand towards your left arm, gazing left, and slide your hand towards your shoulder, through your collarbone, and bringing the head towards the right side and spreading the arm out again, breathing in, breathing out, left arm towards the right one, sliding through the shoulder, collarbone, gazing left arm out, breathing in, breathing out, switching, breathing, opening, breathing out, switching, breathing in, opening, breathing out, switch, breathing in, openness, breathing out, breathing in, openness. Start noticing this movement. Start taking heaviness out of your shoulders, the top of your heart, and sending it away from your aura, far from your energetic space. One more on each side. Start waving your arms forward. Bring your hands in front of your chest and pause. Feel your shoulders stronger. Point your fingertips towards your heart, and your elbows will lift a little bit forward. Breathing in And sighing out, opening your arms out, cleaning your heart. Breathing in, palms together, gathering strength into your heart. Pause and breathe. Breathing out, pointing towards your heart. Inhale and hold. Now we'll throw the arms with a little bit more energy. Inhale, bringing energy, fresh energy to your heart. Stay and breathe. Exhale, pointing towards you. Breathe in and hold. Press your hands together. Let the air go through your arms. Inhale, new energy. Stay, pause, and observe. And point towards you. Breathing in and hold. Feel this presence in you. Let it go. Last one. In. Heart. Stay and breathe. Pointing fingertips towards you. Inhale and hold. Let it go. Hands on your knees or shins. Round your back. Dropping the chin. Stay and breathe. One more deep inhalation. Sighing out. Next inhalation, open the chest. Arch the back. Lift to the chin. Stay and breathe. If you want a little bit more presence, bring your hands together and point the fingers towards you again, maybe towards the earth, Taurus element. Observe, inhale and hold. Throw your arms towards the sky, exhaling. Softening your arms down as rain. Palms on the top of the mat. Bring your pelvis and your lower belly on the mat. Elbows down for Sphinx pose. Connecting your navel against the earth, our element today. Press your palms down, dropping the head and allowing your shoulder blades to connect. So you soften them. Press your elbows down. Press your shoulders down. Engage your shoulder blades and lift to the crown. You can have your legs apart if it's better for your lumbar. Or you can connect your heels and squeeze your glutes if it's better for your lumbar. Listen to your body, your earth. One more breath. Sighing out, softening shoulder blades. Allowing the crown to drop and pouring your thoughts into the earth. Stay and breathe. Feel the waves of breath in your navel. Nourish your body with it. Next inhalation, push elbows down, lower shoulders, lift to the crown. Stay and breathe. One more breath. As we exhale, we'll send our left hand out, sliding the right hand to the left side of the mat. Bring your left knee a little bit more forward and lift your left arm up. And create this powerful protection above you, connecting with the new moon, bringing your left arm to the opposite side. You're opening your chest to the space behind you, And as you exhale, you reach out on your left and you drop the head. Breathing in, lift. Breathe out, twist. Breathe in the sky. Breathe out the earth. Breathe in the sky. Breathe out, twist. Breathe in the sky. Breathe out the earth. Last one, number 4, is the earth number. Exhale. Inhale the sky. Exhale out. Stay for one breath. Sign out and slowly elbows on the mat, sliding your left leg back. Realign. Stay and meditate. How the earth nourishes you. How can you give it back to her? To our Gaia. Yesterday was Earth Day. How can we give respect back to our bodies? That is an extension of the earth. They are our own Gaia. Sign out. Bringing your right hand to the right side of the mat, sliding the left one to the right side as well, and sliding or just placing your right knee out. Offer resistance with your left arm and lift the right one up. Maybe reaching outwards to the space behind you. Observe the openness of the sky and the structure of the earth. Breathing in, reaching the sky. Breathing out, reaching the earth right in front of you. On your right, breathing in, sky. Breathing out, twist. Breathing in, sky. Breathing out, earth. Breathing in, sky. Breathing out, twist. Breathing in, sky. Breathing out, earth. And our last one, number 4. The earth number, the square, stability. And out, stay for one long breath, drop the crown, dive into the heart and slowly release. Bring your both legs to rest on the mat, your both arms to rest along your body, one of your cheeks on the mat for crocodile pose. Just rest. Let the air go through the mouth, giving you the support you need, connecting you with your earth, your patience, and your strength. One more breath. Switch the other cheek on the mat, allowing this new moon to make us see things differently. Change is here, so may it be teaching us how to live better lives. One more breath. Sign out. Chin on the mat, sliding your hands forward, framing your chest, elbows in. Activate your legs, curling the toes on the back of the mat. Lift on your knees. Try not to arch the back to protect your lumbar. Tabletop. From here, you walk your knees forward, cross your shins or calves, and slowly sit on the mat. Bring the soles of your feet flat on the mat. Open the chest. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out, round. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out, round. Your own rhythm now. Waving up when you inhale, waving down when you exhale. Close your eyes and observe the movements of the earth. We can feel them in your body. It's scientifically proven that the tectonic plates move as our brains move. Isn't that fascinating? The same movement of gentrification we offer to our brain when we meditate. The earth moves and releases, condenses as well energy the same way. 2 more waves. Feel the earth in you, breathing with you. Next inhalation, when you sit up, stay. As we exhale, we bend the left knee to face each other and have the right leg out. Knees just relaxing. If you feel your right leg, I will actually just mirror you so it's way easier. Right leg, left leg. If your right knee is not happy here, just place a block under it or a pillow. Start opening your arms out and close your eyes, feeling your aura again, as we did in the beginning. And as we exhale, we try to reach as right as possible. Stay and breathe. Try not to lower your arms. Try to even lift them a little bit above your shoulders. Shoulder line. And inhale back to center, exhale, reaching left. Let your head also move towards the left side, expanding the space of your aura. Last time we'll move on the right. Stay and breathe. Feel your shoulders getting stronger. That's what Taurus is, strength. Move back to center and move towards your left. Feel your maybe right sitting bone away from the mat. Let it lift. And slowly back to center, softening your arms down. Breathing with hands on knees. Giving stability to your knees, your articulations. One deep inhalation. As we exhale, we start just sliding the right hand through the right leg and slowly sit up when you inhale. Exhaling. Inhale, sitting up. Slowly exhaling for the third and last time. Stay. Doesn't matter where you will hold on your right leg, maybe shin, or ankle or toes, the top of the foot. Breathing in, left arm up. Breathing out towards your right toes, dropping the head. Breathing in, left arm up. Breathing out, twisting the arm so the palm is facing back, lowering the arm towards your tailbone. Breathing in the sky, palms facing forward. Breathing out, toes. Dropping the head, breathing in the sky, breathing out, twisting and lowering. Last one, breathing in the sky, breathing out, toes, breathing in the sky, breathing out back. Slowly sitting up, bending your right knee, bringing the soles of your feet together before we do the other side. Find stability. Observe if there's any difference between right and left, and how balanced matters to you, how balance is in the list of the most valuable things to you in life. And balance is never about how much we have, but how much we celebrate what we have. Pause and breathe. Celebrate what you have. One deep inhalation and hold. Sighing out. Softening the center of the spine and sending your left leg out. Opening the chest and open your arms out. Close your eyes and visualize your aura and expand it as you go left. Stay and breathe. Inhale back to center, exhale on the right. Stay and breathe. Inhale back to center, exhale on the left. Next inhalation, center, and next exhalation, right. Breathing in, back to center, align and stay. Sighing out, arms down, pause and observe, hands on knees. Maybe both sitting bones are connecting against the mat. Make them connect as better as you can without force. Next exhalation, we start sliding our left hand through the left thigh, knee, shin, maybe foot, and back to center, breathing in. Exhaling, sliding down. Breathing in, sitting up. Last one, exhaling, sliding down. Stay. Inhaling, right arm up. Exhale towards your toes. Breathing in the sky. Breathing out, twisting the arm on its axis and lowering it behind your tailbone or close to your hip. Inhale up, exhale toes. Inhale up, exhale space behind you. Inhale up, and exhale toes. That's the last one. Breathing in up, breathing out to the space behind you. Inhale back to center. Exhale, connecting the soles of your feet together. We'll stay and meditate for a little bit longer now. So if this pose is not giving you the support and the stability your body wants and needs and deserves, just cross your legs in Sukhasana, a simple cross-legged pose. That's completely fine. It's as good as. You can also go into half lotus or full lotus if it's in your practice. Flip your palms facing up, close your eyes and stay. Use the stability of your movements to stay with your breath, the openness of your breath. New moon is a moment to plant, to connect with what's starting. New moon, new beginnings, new ways of seeing ourselves, the world, our Mother Earth, our bodies. Feel your breath easily moving your body, naturally moving your body. And let the earth breathe. While the sky is dark with the new moon, in a meditative pause, you breathe with your earth. Give yourself 3 long breaths. Make them connect you with your earth. Patience, the healing energy in your body. When you reach your 3rd exhalation, bring your hands together in front of your heart and breathe in, reaching the sky with the tips of your fingers. Aligning yourself with the earth and the sky. Stability, our material world, and spirituality, and how we need both. Inviting balance in a deep inhalation, holding it in your lungs. Sighing out, arms out, slowly reaching down, fingertips as deep roots into the earth, dropping the chin down. Stay and breathe. Inhale and hold. Sighing out. Next inhalation, lifting the gaze back to center. Massaging your legs. Massaging the feet and pressing the thumbs on the center of the soles of your feet, and keep this pressure there for 1 long breath, rooting your energy in your feet, your marmas, energetic and healing points on our feet. And shake your hands out. Slowly uncrossing your legs. And maybe waving your body a little bit from side to side, just to mix water with earth. We might think that's mud. That's not a bad thing. That's the energy of life. That's creation. That's where all plants grow from. That's fertility. And as you find your center again, I send you appreciation with my hands together in front of my heart in Pranamudra. I send you my heart to connect with yours, and I really hope we will connect later today in the new moon session. If you didn't see the link on my page, please just DM me anytime. Have a very beautiful rest of your day. And see you next time. Bye.